Dear everyone, welcome back in Dart Programming video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about collections. So in Dart there is a three type of collections: list, set and map. In this tutorial we will discuss about list. So let's start. Here I'm going to create a list and list let's say here months, and inside I'm going to pass Jan and Feb, March and April. If I print out months, and I have to give here the index number. The list indexing is starting from 0. The first one is 0, 1, 2 and 3, so on. If we want to print out the Jan, we have to pass here the 0, save. I'm going to clear my terminal, run, where we are Jan, and if we want to update this Jan with another value, so it's very simple and easy. I'm giving here December, save, again run. December the 1st, the value is updated now. And if you want to run with the loop, for var and month in months, and print month, save and run. We have Jan, Feb, March, April, so on. And also we can pass here const. In that case we are not able to update our list items or values. And if I define here list and int, now in this case only integer will be accept here. If I save, it will give us the error. Even if I run, here's the error. If I pass here the integer number like 1, 2, 3, 4, save, I'm going to run. That's perfect. And here if I pass string, string, sorry, as capital. Okay, and if I run, it's correct. So we can use here as also a variable. That time automatically it will convert in a list. If I pass here var, as we discussed before, automatically it will consider as a list. So same thing we can do here for update. If I pass months, then the last one means 0, 1, 2 and 3. The last replace with December. Save, run. Now we have here December. So in collection it's a list, and next tutorial we will discuss about set. That's all this tutorial. See you.